Today I show you what I found in IKEA in the offer zone. I like to go there and see when they might have something interesting, and this is very interesting. First, the price was only €5, so it was a 50% discount from the original price, 99 or something, 9.99. And this is the microphone. This is the microphone stand from IKEA, Lane Spelare microphone arm, and I got it for only €5, so yeah. It's in the as is option. Okay, so I'm not sure what this is about here. Some information about it. Information about the microphone arm. You can mount a camera even on this microphone. I already have a microphone arm, but this was only €5, so I couldn't resist really. Okay, information about what can and cannot be done with it. So this is the offer, €5 only. It even looks like it's sealed, or maybe they resealed it. It doesn't really look used at all. Maybe there was a damage to the box or something, I don't know. This is the microphone arm, mount. Okay, so this opens now. It's the as is. I think this is the product code for them. Yeah, maybe this was used. It looks like it was used, so that's okay. So it was basically, you put this on the desk, you open it, and then it goes. This goes on the desk like that, and where it's on, it's here. Okay, there is also this part here. So this part usually doesn't look good after a while, and you can see it was used a little bit. So whoever returned this, thanks for giving me the opportunity to buy this for €5. Bit of damage here in this plastic, but it's okay. It's usually like this. As a bonus for someone else who gets this microphone arm and it doesn't sit, I did this with the lights. You remove all this soft foam here. So this is how it mounts on the desk. Put it like that, and then the desk goes in here, and then you tighten it. Then you tighten it until this part goes to grab the desk. But the problem is that this is not very stable here, and it will fall out. But what I did, I removed this foam and I put double-sided tape. Very drastic. But when you put double-sided tape on this and then you put it on the desk, it will not go anywhere. And that's what I did. So this is the arm. The springs look okay. It looks clean. Barely used. So here on this side it has the actual microphone mount, and you can use, I'm not sure if you can unscrew this, but this is the standard microphone mount for any kind of microphone that you might use, the bigger ones. And it has this adjustable thing where you can actually tighten it or loosen it. There is also a cable guide, so that's pretty nice, but this is a bit thin. I mean, the cable I would use on this would be XLR cables, so that's not gonna fit here. This is mostly for USB cables, but you could put a cable tie on it and tie the XLR cable on it. And they do move and they are independent, so that's pretty good. Could have them like this one also. So this is what I got for €5. €5 from IKEA. A microphone mount that I could use even for a camera. I could put a tripod mount here. I could use this for a camera mount. I'll see what to do with it. So far I have the lights here. One of the lights actually, it might need to be changed. And maybe I will use this to put the light on. And by the way, the lights I use a similar arm, but from one of the lamps from IKEA. I have a video about it too. Thanks for watching. Looking at it more, it seems like this is a display unit. It has one of those bubbles that they put for the display. One of these attachment things. I will leave it there. And there's also this sticker imported in Great Britain by IKEA. That one. So maybe this was a demo unit. I don't know. This does look a bit not so straight here. Hopefully it will be okay. Usually this breaks. One of the lights here, this one is broken. Half of it, and I use only half. So I will replace the lights. One of the lights here, I'll put this one. I might have to make an adapter for the microphone because I use something else. But actually thinking about it, looking at it now, it's not necessary because it's using the same type of thing, and all I have to do is replace this thing from the inside and it should be okay. So that's a lights upgrade for me, converted from a microphone stand from IKEA. Thanks for watching.